are the materials you're going to need for this project. Here are the measurements you will need. Since I'm using a thrifted dress, I'm going to go ahead and measure across, making sure that it fits my measurements. Now I'm going to cut my elastic for my chest and cut the elastic for the waist. Now I'm going to measure down this dress, making sure that it fits my length I need. I'm going to cut off the top because we don't need this. I'm going to measure down my chest to high waist measurement again and mark it with a pin. Repeat on the other side. Now I'm going to seam rip until I get to that pin on both sides. Now I'm just measuring the top again to find out how long I need to cut my strips for my next part. I cut out 4 pieces of fabric that were 15 inches wide by my chest to high waist measurement, which was 5 inches plus seam allowance. What I'm going to do is take 2 pieces, put them right sides touching, sew all the way around, leaving an opening, and clip the corners. Do this for both of them, and then we're going to flip it right side out. Now we're going to take our dress and finish off the top edges by serging or zigzagging and folding it down to hem. Once that's done, it should look like this. Then we're going to take one of our sides with the open part towards the seam, fit it in there, and pin it down. Now take the other strap and repeat the same thing, making sure that the opening is towards the seam. Once that's all pinned, I'm going to sew down both these sides. Now I'm going to flip my dress right side out. And this is what it's going to look like right now. Now I'm going to take my chest elastic and combine it. Then I'm going to quarter it off, matching the front with the front, the back with the back, and the sides with the sides, and pin it. Once that's done, we're going to zigzag stitch all the way around, making sure to stretch it, and it'll look like this. Then we're going to fold it down one more time and do another zigzag stitch. Next, we need to put the waist elastic. I made sure to pin my bow pieces out of the way. I like to draw a line where my elastic's going to go so that I sew in my elastic straight. So I'm just going to take my chest to high waist measurement again and draw a line on both the front and the back. Now I'm going to take my high waist elastic and zigzag stitch it all the way around. Once that's done, I'm going to turn my dress right side out and the dress is coming together. I'm going to unpin the bow pieces and tie them how I want to tie them. The last step is to make straps for this dress. So I'm making my straps 10 inches by 1 inch wide, and I'm cutting 4 pieces out. I'm going to fold them in half, right sides touching, and sew down the long seam. Once that's done, I'm going to use a safety pin to turn them right side out. Now I'm just going to fold in the bottom edge, pin it, and sew it down. Here's our finished straps. Now I'm taking the dress and I'm just going to measure 2.5 inches in and pin down my strap. I'm repeating this for all the straps. Once all your straps are pinned on, you can take it to the machine and sew it down. Now just tie them in a bow and your dress will be done. hope you guys enjoyed this thrifted makeover, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, then please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.